Looking for the perfect mix of modern living, nature, and rising property value? Welcome to Zadia, the green community nestled in the heart of Metro Santa Rosa, a place where opportunity, serenity, and smart investment meet. This is Jensorne, your elite properties, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, we are diving deep into why Zadia by Empire East here in Greenfield City is becoming one of the top real estate choices in the South, and why the ongoing development here in Metro Santa Rosa could be your smartest move yet. So whether you're investing, buying a first home, or planning your future, Metro Santa Rosa gives you the best opportunity. So let's talk about the location of Zadia, why it has a big advantage. So when it comes to location, Metro Santa Rosa is just 40 kilometers away to south of Manila. This area has transformed into blooming suburban living. It's often called the Makati of the South. And for good reason naman, here kasi you are connected by key roads like the South Luzon Expressway and of course the Calax. And meron pa tayong upcoming which is the Parex and the Laguna Lakeshore Road Network. So imagine, talagang it's very accessible at napakaganda talaga mag-invest here. Santa Rosa is also being eyed as a future transport hotspot with improvement, access to trains, and even airport infrastructure. So talagang meron itong future development na talagang aabangan natin. So whether you are working in Alabang, BGC, or Makati, living in Zadia means you can enjoy a greener, quieter life without giving up the access to the city. So why Zadia is a green community? So as you can see, we are actually here sa pinaka-location kung saan located yung showroom ni Zadia. Kasi Zadia isn't just a condo or isn't just another condo development. It's a low-density, nature-focused, vertical community designed for comfort and wellness. So Zadia is developed by Empire East, and it's part of this Greenfield City, a part of larger 35 hectares master plan development. The name itself is derived from the word zest for life and Arcadia. So it's symbolizing a vibrant living in a garden paradise. So here, we only have a few units per floor. It's surrounded by landscape, gardens, nature ventilation, and sunlight. So talagang the design of the condo itself, it's for relaxation and peace. So if you're tired of cramped, noisy condos in Metro Manila, Zadia offers a fresh alternative kung saan makikita nyo talaga sa pinaka-facade ng ating condo unit, it has a touch of greenery. So pag-usapan naman natin yung mga ongoing development and growth opportunity here in the area, especially here in Zadia. So Zadia's growth is far from over with more towers under construction. So this is still the perfect time to buy at pre-selling prices. Like today, we are offering a pre-selling which is the Tower 4. And ongoing developments include commercial areas, future retail strip, and more amenities. That means early buyers are not just getting a home. They are lacking in long-term value. And this is what are the experts say, Sabi nga nila, when we see the consistent infrastructure upgrades here in the area, the job creation and retail expansion in the area of Santa Rosa, so the real estate value naturally appreciate, Zadia is riding the wave. So talagang sumasabay siya sa future development of future growth talaga dito in Metro Santa Rosa. When it comes naman in investment potential, let's talk about the numbers. So the earlier you buy, the better your potential return. So property values in Santa Rosa have been rising steadily, especially for mid-rise, lifestyle-centric developments, especially like this Zadia condominium. So, buyers here can earn from rental income due to proximity to major business parks and schools, or enjoy the capital appreciation over to 5 to 10 years as demand continues to grow. So, talagang mabilis mag-appreciate yung value ng property natin here in Metro Santa Rosa. And because Zadia is in a developing urban city, the price per square meter is still lower than Taguig or Alabang, no? But with similar future potential, actually, mas maganda pa yung in-offer kasi we are offering here a suburban living and more peaceful environment. So, when it comes naman sa lifestyle and community benefits, beyond investment, Zadia is a great place to live. Whether you're a young professional, growing family, or retiring couple, it fits your lifestyle. And when it comes naman sa futures or the amenities, we are offering here a resort-style swimming pool, basketball court. We also have a clubhouse, jogging paths and green parks, secure gated entry. We have the gazebo and open na courts, no? So in nearby, you also have these top tier schools like the Xavier School, New Valley, De La Salle, Laguna. So when it comes naman to hospital like the Medical City na nasa likod ko right now, which is located here in Metro Santa Rosa, no? We also have the UniHealth QualiMed, which is located near lang in New Valley. We also have these commercial centers including Solanad, Vista Mall, SM Santa Rosa are just within the area. We also have the SNR and Landers here in the area. So, pakilala naman natin ang ating developer that I mentioned earlier, which is the Empire East, one of the trusted development here in the Philippines. So, they are known player in the industry with over 25 years of experience and successful developments across Metro Manila. As a subsidiary of Megaworld Corporation, you're assured of quality, security, and long-term commitment to community building. So, how to get started, no? So, if you're interested in getting started with Zadia, it's very simple, no? Units are available through pre-selling offers with affordable financing schemes. We also offer cash or bank financing. Whether you're ready to reserve or just want a free site tour, no, you can reach me out through my details flash on the screen. So whether you're investing, relocating, or starting fresh, Zadia and Metro Santa Rosa offer a futures with full of growth, comfort, opportunity, no? So don't wait too long kasi the future is being built here. So right now we are here's actual showroom as I mentioned to you earlier, and we'll be show to you one of our dress up unit, the studio unit, and also the combined unit. So let's go guys, and let's take a quick tour and let's see what we are offering here in Zadia condominium. So we are now here's the actual dress up studio unit that we are offering at 24.90 square meter na floor area. And I'll be showing to you so you can have an idea of what we are offering here in Zadia condominium. So, of course, upon entry, laging sumasalubong sa atin ang ating kitchen area which is located here, and this is included upon turnover. Except for this, no, this is already modified. So, as you can see, pag nakapag-avail ka ng unit here, pwede ka magpalagay or magpa-customize ng mga hanging cabinets para ma-maximize natin yung pinaka-space. So, here in this area naman located ang ating toilet and bath. One thing I love here in Zadia, no, when it comes to toilet and bath, it's very spacious. So, makikita nyo naman, this is the shower area. So, nilagyan na siya ng glass door para hindi nag-i-spill yung water. The laundry area is located here. So, nilagyan siya ng malaking mirror, no? Yung iba naming client, ang nilalagay nila, instead na malaking mirror, nilalagay nila is hanging cabinet. So, talagang na-maximize yung space. Nakakapaglagay pa sila ng iba nila toiletries, yung mga gamit nila sa pag-laundry here in this area. So, dito naman, as I mentioned, this is a studio unit. So, talagang min-maximize nila yung space. Meron tayong entertainment area which is located here. And dito na yung pinaka-dining area natin. But of course, pag na-receive nyo naman yung unit, it's a open layout. So, you have a big opportunity kung paano mo to i-interior or pagagandahin pa. So, Of course, yung ating pinaka-bed is located here. And meron din tayo itong pina-built-in cabinets for our closet, mga bags, at kung ano-ano pa. So, syempre, studio unit, hindi nawawala ang ating balcony here in Zadia Condominium. So, the balcony is located here and you have an option to choose kung ano ba yung magiging view ng ating pinaka-balcony. So, most of our clients talaga preferred nila ang amenity view, which is yun yung pinakamabilis na nasa-sold out sa atin. So, as you can see, meron tayong amenity view. Number 1, I mentioned earlier, the Tagaytay view and also the Paseo view. And the good thing, no, kasi we are offering a pre-selling na na-mention ko sa inyo earlier, which is the Tower 4. So, we are on the level 9 na ngayon. So, silipin naman natin yung combined unit natin here in Zadia Condominium. So, para ma-imagine nyo kung gaano ba kalaki yung combined unit compared dito sa ating studio unit na ino-offer. So, for our combined unit, we are offering a 49.80 square meter na floor area. So, of course, as andito ang ating kitchen area, it's included, of course, the hanging cabinets, kung saan maximize niya yung pinaka-space. Yung iba naming client, no, na kumuha ng combined unit, naglalagay pa sila ng parang pinaka-island dito or pinaka-bar. So, meron pa silang additional na dining area. Kung couple lang naman kayo, ayaw nyo gamitin yung pinaka-dining area nyo, gusto nyo dun lang kayo sa may parang counter bar, no, it will be a perfect din, no. So, talagang you have the chance talaga kung paano siya pagagandahin. So, this is just to give you an idea. Dining area is located here. Ang ating entertainment area nandito din. And of course, andito ang ating living area. So, yung ibang client din naman namin, no, instead na 1 bedroom, ginawa nilang 2 bedroom yung unit. So, talagang perfect na rin siya for a family. So, this will be the balcony 1. Kasi combined unit, of course, dalawa na rin yung ating pinaka-balcony. When it comes sa toilet and bath naman, no, magiging isa na lang siya. And it doesn't mean kasi na dahil combined unit is dalawang studio unit, nagiging dalawang toilet and bath. Hindi. Magiging isa na lang siya, magkakaroon ka ng parang mini hallway dito. And of course, malaki pa din ang ating toilet and bath. So, meron ditong access going sa ating pinaka-bedroom. So, meron ditong pinaka-walk-in closet na talaga. So, na-maximize siya. Sobrang laki ng kanyang closet. It's an L-shaped type ng closet. Meron pa siya ditong space for office area or pwede rin natin gawing entertainment area. Kunwari after work, meron pa kayong mga kailangan tapusin or meron kayong anak na teenager na gusto pa mag-study. So, meron siyang sariling space din dito sa bedroom. It will depend naman kasi sa inyo kung paano nyo ma-maximize itong ating combined unit. And the bedroom, of course, this is located here and another balcony. So, yun yung ating combined unit and studio unit. I hope nagkaroon kayo ng idea, no, kung ano ba ang itsura nito once na na-dress up na ang ating pinaka-actual unit here in Zadia Condominium. So, whether you're looking for smart investment, starting a fresh new, or relocating a new home, no, Zadia Condominium offers a wide selection or offers a wide opportunity na ma-enjoy mo when you live here, especially here in Metro Santa Rosa. And if you're interested and want to know more details about this project or other projects within the area, you can send us a message through my details flash on the screen. It has a Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage. It's 6391530000447. This is Jensorne, your Elite Properties, and hope to see you on my next one. Bye, guys!